Ika-33 Scholarship and Award Gala ng Arizona Asian Chamber of Commerce naganap dito sa Phoenix, Arizona. Ito isang pagtitipon na naglalayong magbigay ng pagkilala at parangal sa mga leader, estudyante at organisasyon na patuloy na naglilingkod sa komunidad. Ako si Dong Robles at ito ang special report ng Profile Overseas Diaries. Pinangunahan ng mga opisyal ng Arizona Asian Chamber of Commerce ang programa kung saan binigyang diin ang kahalagahan ng edukasyon, leadership at pagkakaisa ng komunidad.
Welcome to the 2026 Arizona Asian Chamber of Commerce Scholarship and Award Gala here. My name is Jeff Lim. I am one of your co-MCs. A little bit about myself. I actually, 10 years ago, was one of the recipients of the Wing On Scholarship. So this is a very heartfelt moment for me because these awards help set the stage for people like me, open up new opportunities for your career, and I'm so grateful for this incredible community because of that.
Happy Year of the Fire Horse, everyone. Super excited to be celebrating with you all. The Year of the Horse is all about boldness, it's about independence, and it's about rapid transformation. And I don't know about you, but every new year I need a little bit of rapid transformation.
Okay, so tonight, this is really more than a celebration here tonight. The Lunar New Year always reminds us that renewal, and like Enrique said, is not just given to you, it's worked for, and we work for it together as multiculturals here in this community. We're excited at the Asian Chamber because this year we have lots of awesome things happening. Number one, this is going to be very high priority, so I'm expecting a big applause on this one. Every business under 9 members has membership for free.
Nagbigay rin ng mensahe ang mga panauhing pangdangal na nagsilbing inspirasyon sa mga dumalo.
Immigrants make Arizona great, and we're not going to ever abandon that. 33 years, the Asian Chamber has been doing this event. I've been about 25 of them, I think. I was counting the other day. They get better and better. Is this the most fun banquet in all of Arizona every single year? This year, the new year is going to be the year of the horse. And that represents energy, determination, independence, forward momentum. Do any words better describe the small businesses that make up the Asian Chamber? These entrepreneurs. This is really about small business. Some big businesses represent. This is really about supporting our small entrepreneurs and leadership development. That is what this chamber is all about, and in my opinion, they do it the best of anyone. I just want to say, I mentioned this is Year of the Horse, and you have selected as your winners of the awards this year some real workhorses, people that are getting it done in this community. So I want to recognize those winners as well. They're going to have a bigger introduction later. Adam Lopez Falk, who's getting, I think, the Community Service Award. I knew him when he was on the school board, a great community leader. Economic Development Leader in the City of Phoenix, Brian Smith. Brian, thanks for the great work you're doing helping to build a community. And if there is a bigger workhorse in the state of Arizona, getting it done, bringing jobs to this community, she left the city of Phoenix recently to bigger and better things at GPAC. Chris Mackey, you are one of a kind, and we appreciate you so much.
Dumalo rin sa okasyon ang mga pampublikong opisyal mula sa City of Phoenix, maging ang ilang district representatives bilang patunay ng patuloy na suporta ng pamahalaan sa advokasya ng Asian American community dito sa Arizona.
Did you know we have U.S. Congressman Mr. Greg Stanton in the room? I guess you knew because he kicked us off today. And did you know we have a state legislative table? We have Senator Annalise Ortiz, Senator Flavia Bravo, Senator Kiana Sears, Representative Janelle Cavarro, Representative Cesar Aguilar, Representative Mariana Sandoval, Representative Lorna Austin, Representative Ana Abaida, Representative Stephanie Simisek, and Representative Quanta Cruz. Please stand up and accept your applause.
Isa sa mga tampok na gabi ang pagkilala sa mga awardees at scholarship recipients, mga individual na sa kani-kanilang larangan ay nagsisilbing huwaran ng sipag, dedikasyon at serbisyo.
Well, this is quite an honor. On behalf of Housing for Hope and our parent organization, which is Catholic Charities, we are just thrilled to be recognized for the typical work that we do. But more importantly, we're thrilled about what's coming with the International District. And so we're thrilled to be able to partner with you to make it happen. And I know that my Filipino father is looking down right now, extremely proud of this moment. So thank you.
Thank you to the Arizona Asian Chamber of Commerce for this incredible honor. At AZ Blue, we believe in partnering with organizations that share our commitment to building healthier, stronger, and more connected communities. Our work together is grounded in shared values, opportunity, equity, and community. We are honored to stand alongside you, and we look forward to continuing this partnership to expand opportunities, uplift communities, and help drive a thriving Arizona for all.
Working on the International District with Ryan and the Asian Chamber, I do want to recognize in the room, though, particularly the City of Phoenix elected officials, Congressman Stanton, Mayor, council members, all that you've done to remove every barrier and to lift us up and move economic development forward in the city. Truly is you who did it. We do what the work that we do is leading your vision, and I cannot thank you enough for the privilege of getting to lead the City of Phoenix economic development, and now, of course, for the region. There are 22 cities and 2 counties. So thank you so much for this honor this evening.
Thank you for seeing something special in me. I worked really hard for this, and so does my team, Tony, wherever she went. There she is, Tony, right there. I'm truly grateful for the opportunity. Thank you so much.
Nagbigay kulay din sa gabi ang tradisyonal na Dragon Dance kung saan naghandog ng pera ang mga manonood bilang isang simbolo ng swerte, kasaganahan at magandang kapalaran ayon sa Chinese culture.
Ang 33rd Scholarship and Award Gala ay patunay na ang pagkilala sa bawat ambag ay nagbibigay daan sa mas matibay at mas eksklusibong komunidad. Mula dito sa Phoenix, Arizona, ako si Dong Robles para sa Profile Overseas Diaries.